Hello, this is Lithin, UR16ES121. I'm here to do my third experiment in Java to create a class called book. Here, first, I've created a class called book. In this class book, I am declaring variables of type string named book title and book author, and an int variable to store the number of copies. Next, I'm creating a function called public book, and in this function I'm declaring an argument constructor with arguments string book title, string book author, and int number of copies. Next, I'm using this dot book title. Now this is used to specify which book title is being used, and this points to this book title which is used in public book, and it shows that it is equal to the book title in the class book. Next, similarly, this dot book author is equal to book author, and this dot number of copies is equal to number of copies. Next, a public string get book title is used to return the value of book title. Similarly, public void book set title, public string get book author is also used to return values. Next, public void set book author with argument of string book author is used, and this book author shows the value in this part of the argument is equal to the value of book author, and similarly a public int get number of copies used to return the number of copies. Next, I'm creating the main class, the public class experiment3. Now in the main class we've used a public static void main, and the scanner is equal to new scanner system.in to get the input. Next, I'm declaring int abc, int m1, we are having a value of 20, and book equal to new book, that is creating an array of books with a limit of 20, that is m1. Next, I'm using a do while loop, and in this do while loop, the first do part, the system showing the output, and that is the options. First option, add book details. Second option, number of copies. 3, and get book. And 4 to display all the books. Next, I'm declaring int z is equal to the next thing, that is to store the input taken in from the above system.out. Now that z is used in a switch case, and if the case is 1, it shows the number of books to be added to the library, and it's taken in int m equal to s dot next. Now using a for loop, int I is equal to 0, I less than m, and I plus plus. B of I is taken in as new book, and that is the name of the book title. Next, and the book author, and then the number of copies are asked. And if the option is system, if it's case 2, system output print search bar edit copies, and that is to edit the number of copies, enter the title of the book to be edited, and in a string title is equal to next text to store it. Next, a for loop is used, and so that the operation can be done. Next, case 3, system output print search bar. This is so that you can search the name of a certain book, and system enter the title of the book. That title is stored in string title 1 is equal to s dot next. Using a for loop, the search program works. Next, case 4, it's a for loop to display all the books in the program. Now executing this program, here the output